The question now we have to solve is in text question 2.3. The question है calculate the molarity of each of the following solutions. 30 gram of CONO3 whole twice dot 6 H2O in 4.3 liter solution. Second is B 30 ml of 0.5 mH 2SO4 diluted to 500 ml. So first question we have to calculate molarity of 30 gram CONO3 whole twice. So let's start solving it. So formula for molarity is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. For number of moles, we have to find the molar mass of CONO3 whole twice. Molar mass of CONO3 whole twice dot 6 H2O. So mass of cobalt we are taking 59 plus 2 into N is 14 plus 16 into 3 is 48 plus 6 into 18. So this will come as 291. Now number of moles of CONO3 whole twice dot 6 H2O. Given mass, that is 30 gram upon molar mass, which is 291. On solving this, it will come as 0.103. Now molarity equal to number of moles, which is 0.103 upon volume of solution, which is 4.3 liters. So the molarity of solution will come as 0.024 m. So this is the solution of A part, and now we are solving the B part. B is the case of dilution. In case of dilution, the number of moles of solute are coming from the solution which is being diluted. So the solution which is being diluted is 30 ml of 0.5 m H2SO4. So from here, if you see the formula of molarity is number of moles upon volume. If I multiply molarity and volume, then I will get number of moles. So from here we can write number of moles of H2SO4, that is volume is 30 into 0.5 and this is ml. So we can write it as 10 to the power minus 3 in multiplication to convert it into liters. Now this is the number of moles of H2SO4 in the diluted solution. The volume is 500 ml. So now molarity. Molarity of diluted solution equal to number of moles, which is 30 into 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon volume, it is 500 ml. So we have to convert it into liters. We will multiply by 1000. So this 10 to the power minus 3 and 10 to the power 3 are cancelled. We can also cancel this 1 0. Then this will be, we will get 3 upon 100 and the final answer will be 0.03 m. So the answer to A part is 0.024 m and the answer to B part is 0.03 m.